Hello, this is Mr. Goliath. So this is help to show you what the turn-in looks like. You'll notice it says Genius Hour Turn-in. We start Friday. This is an old class that doesn't exist anymore. You'll notice below we have all kinds of links where most students have put their website link. Even though they made a screencast of it, they still have this just in case something could go wrong. Also, you'll notice YouTube links. These are artifacts. Here's a good example of a student has theirs linked, so students can link their artifacts here where you could just click it and it will take you directly to their work. And that's the same for whether it's a video or this is a video game right here. We have all kinds of stuff, screencasts that were put on YouTube, so that's one way to do it. Here's another video game, so they can comment. The other way they can do it is just turn it in. So they click here and then they'll upload it, and you'll notice the students here have multiple files that are turned in. So right here you're seeing a lot of their screencasts for their websites. Others have multiple ones, so this might be also a video. You can tell this one right here has a video attached to it. So this is where we turn everything in. When you're checking up on your student on Thursday, I would go here to the turn-in section and actually open it up so you know it will open up, there aren't any issues, and that it works well. Definitely check the screencast of the website. Definitely look for the graphic design summative, which should be on the home page of the website. And definitely look for the artifact as well. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, just email me back. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.